In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Shotcut Video Editor. Shotcut is a free open source video editor, and getting it onto your Windows PC is quick and straightforward. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly what to click and what to choose along the way. Start by opening your favorite web browser. I'll use Google Chrome, but any modern browser works. In the search bar, type Shotcut and press Enter. Look for the official Shotcut website in the results. It should clearly mention Shotcut and offer a download section. Always make sure you're on the official site before downloading software, so you know the file is safe and up to date. Once you're on the site, head to the download page. You'll see options for different versions of Windows. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11 on an Intel or AMD processor, which is most PCs, choose the standard Windows build. There's also a separate build for Windows 10 and 11 on ARM devices, and you may see options for older versions like Windows 7 or 8 if you're on legacy hardware. Pick the one that matches your system. Next, decide between the Windows installer and the Windows portable zip. The Windows installer is the easiest for most people. It downloads a single .exe file that, when opened, guides you through installation and sets up shortcuts in your start menu. The Windows portable zip is a compressed folder. If you choose that, you'll need to unzip it before you can use it. Portable is handy if you prefer not to install software system-wide or want to keep it on a USB drive. I'll choose the Windows installer. Click the Windows installer option, and your browser will begin downloading the .exe file. Depending on your connection, this may take a moment. Keep an eye on your browser's download indicator and wait until it finishes completely to avoid file errors. When the download is done, open your Downloads folder. You'll find the Shotcut setup file there. The exact file name may include the version number, which is normal. Double-click the file to open it. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, select Yes. The installer will start, and from here, it's just a matter of following the on-screen prompts. That's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded Shotcut Video Editor. If this walkthrough helped you, feel free to leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching.